Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 78. Start. Number 1. Please type an original and a duplicate copy of this lease for Mr. Skinner. Full stop. Number 2. I expect to fly to North Bay tomorrow, and I shall be glad if you will meet me on my arrival to tell me everything that is necessary about the case. Full stop. Number 3. I regret that I am unable to deliver the goods to you sooner, nor is it possible to say at present when they can be delivered. Full stop. Number 4. Are you sure that the enclosures were put in the envelope? Question mark. Yes, I put them in personally. Full stop. Number 5. Either we shall have to take more space in some other building, or we shall have to take our an entire floor in this building. Full stop. Number 6. Personally, I believe that it would be better to lease a larger floor in some other building. Of course, I shall do nothing without your final approval. Full stop.